हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओनली जॉब्स। तो इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले एक बहुत ही अच्छी जॉब अपडेट जो कि कॉग्निजेंट की तरफ से। सो गाइस, वीडियो में हम वही डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जैसे कि सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस, एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, पैकेज एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी इन डिटेल्स। सो गाइस, प्लीज़ watch the video till the end. And guys, if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. So guys, I always upload off campus drives and test questions answers and any relevant information related to placements. So guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Okay guys, so let's see job operator from the Cognizant. So Cognizant is hiring for JNC programmer training, ITPT for BSc and BCA 2021 graduates. So guys, this is a really good opportunity for BSc and BCA students who are graduating from 2021 batch. And guys, for this application deadline is the 23rd of June, which is 12 a.m. So guys, make sure you apply for the job before deadline. After that, discussing about package, the package will be 2,52,000 per annum. So this is yours CTC. So this is a really good opportunity for freshers from BSc and BCA. Right now, if you get selected, there will be work from home, and after the pandemic situation becomes normal, then you have to join their office. So discussing about the job description, your roles will be requirement analysis, high level design, minor coding changes, unit testing, documentation, closure. After that, use tools and techniques for automation and unit testing. Develop stub programs to minimize defect leakage, STAT. Independently resolve technical issues in programming language or environment. So guys, this is a job description as a GNC programmer trainee. So after that, eligibility criteria. So in eligibility criteria, you should be 2021 batch pass outs from the field of BCA, BSc, IT, or streams like computer science, computer technology, mathematics, physics, chemistry, statistics. PG courses are not eligible. So guys, all the undergraduates courses are eligible from BSc and BCA. So please take a note that if you are a PG postgraduate, then you are not eligible for this job. After that, consistent academic record of minimum 50% in 10th, 11th, 10th, 12th डिप्लोमा एंड UG. मतलब आपका ओवरऑल एकेडमिक्स 50% के ऊपर होना चाहिए, जो भी नॉर्मली हो सकता है आपको सभी का. सो प्लीज़ do apply for this job role. This is a really good opportunity if you are from the BSc or BCA background. After that, maximum year gap of 2 years in education. So आपका 2 years से ज़्यादा एजुकेशन गैप नहीं होना चाहिए. ओपन टू इंडियन नेशनल्स ओनली. After that, flexible to relocate to any locations in India and work in any nation. So if you are interested in this job and you are get selected, then you should be flexible to relocate anywhere in India, and you should able to work in any shift or domain. So these are the some eligibility criteria and their requirements to be eligible for the job. So yeah, this is the job update from Cognizant for JNC programmer training. This is a really good opportunity, guys. So test link will be you will get after 24th or 25th June. Most probably in this end of this month you will get test links, and make sure to join our Telegram channel so you will not miss any important job updates. So on Telegram channel we post maximum job updates, test questions and answers. So you should definitely join our Telegram channel. Okay guys, so that much in this video. Hope you like this video. Share this video with your friends who are from BSc BCA background and graduating from 2021 batch, so this will help them to apply for the job. And yeah guys, that's it. Have a nice day. Goodbye, take care.